Let me show you how to adjust the analog hands on any G-Shock watch. So there are actually two ways how to do it. If your G-Shock is also Bluetooth enabled and we can connect to a phone, we can simply download the Casio watches app, open it up, pair both of them together, and in the settings over here, so you see you have this option for manual hand adjustment over here, and you see, yeah, basically we can actually adjust here very easily. And the second way is we can actually do it from the watch itself as well. And what we need to do, first make sure you are in this view where you can see your current time and also date on the screen. And we are going to simply press and hold this upper button. So either it might be called display button or also set button, but then anyway on this side the upper button. So let me hold it. So and keep holding. It will beep like this, but still keep holding. It will say HS 1200, and once you see the HS 1200, we can release. Then the watch actually will use its arms to actually try to move to the exactly 12 o'clock position. So you see what it does for me. It actually is completely off, so I set it previously like this to demonstrate. So what we are going to do is we are going to use this button and also this button, so on these sides, to simply move the arm exactly at 12, so both arms at 12. So as you see, if I simply like keep pressing this button, this dial essentially like moves on that side, or also if I keep pressing this button, essentially the dial also moves to that side. And if you also want to rapidly advance them, you can simply press and hold a bit. Okay, and once it's near, we can, yeah, again click again. So I'm going to simply keep clicking this till we are exactly at 12. So as you see, almost, okay, let's go back a bit. So if it's not exactly at the 12, again, so literally inch it forward or backward a bit, and eventually it will actually land exactly at 12 o'clock. So you see basically both arms are identical basically and exactly at the 12. And next what we simply do, we simply press the display button and the watch will essentially return to the correct time, and your arms will be set. So the like this essentially this digital display will exactly match also the analog display. Okay, good luck.